Hello and thanks so much for tuning in to this video tutorial where I'm going to teach you how you can optimize your Instagram link in bio. So this means adding multiple links to your website URL on your Instagram, and I'm going to show you how you can do this completely for free. So no need for a paid monthly service like Linktree. You're going to be able to do this using your website, and you're going to be able to do it completely for free. This is great if you are an influencer or blogger and you need to link products and you're not quite to 10K yet, so you don't have that swipe up feature in your Instagram stories. You can link to several different products right here in your bio. Or if you just want to link to several different pages on your website, if you're wanting to highlight a certain product or feature or blog post, or if you want to link to different places that you've been featured on the web, this is a great way to do just that. So when all is said and done, your link in bio can look something like this. It is a way to do this completely for free. So this is a total hack using a hidden page on your website. Now there are different services out there such as Linktree that do something really similar to this, but you have to pay like a monthly fee. So by doing this, you are leading people to your website, which equals clicks, which is great for your SEO, and you're leading people to several different places instead of just one website link. So you don't have to worry about going in and changing that link every day. This is set and ready to go and just gives people so much more information right off the bat from clicking that link. I am using Squarespace to do this, but really you should be able to do this regardless of your website platform. The main key here is to look and design this page based on how it's going to look in mobile view, because really that's the only place that people are going to be looking at this page. They're not going to be looking at it on their computers. They're just going to be looking at it on their phones, and no one will have access to this link on your main website page. This will only be a place that they can see in your Instagram bio. And again, that's because we are building in the not linked area of your website. So to get started, you just have to come up here to this plus sign under your not linked area and click on page. And then when you title your page, you're going to want to do something that's some type of call to action. So for me, on my Instagram, my link is called Click Me. You can do click here, you can do start here, but I just encourage you to do some type of call to action to really encourage people to go ahead and click on that link. So I'm going to call it Click Here, and I'll just click on Start Editing. So I'm going to come up here to this black dot, and this is going to give me all of the options of things that I can pop into my page. So I'm going to come up here to Image, and I'm just going to drag and drop my headshot and pop it in. Now I already formatted my headshot to be in a circle, but a square will work just fine. So once it loads in, you just click Apply and Save. If I was looking at this on a regular website, this headshot would be rather large, but again, this is only going to be viewed on mobile. And on Squarespace, you have this really cool tool. It's this little arrow right here, and it allows you to view your website on how it would look on a tablet or on a phone. So this mobile view button is really going to come in handy as we build this page. So as you can see, once it's in mobile view, that picture is a nice little size. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is go back up here to page and then edit. And then right here, I already have a text block in place. So I'm just going to pop in my Instagram handle. And again, this just reinforces who I am, reminds people where they're at. And underneath that, I'm going to click on my black dot again. And this is where I'm going to start popping in my links. So for me, I popped in my links as buttons. I created a small button. And then in the text, I'm going to put what they're linking to. But again, here, I'm also going to give it a call to action. So I really want to highlight my new Instagram ebook. So I'm going to let them know that it's a new product, ready and available. I'm going to say buy the book so they know that it's something that they can grab right now. And then click to add the URL. I'm going to connect my button to my education shop and click apply. I'm just going to continue to do this with my buttons. So now I'll link to the brand collection. And again, instead of just saying the brand collection, I'm going to say shop the brand collection. So I'm going to give the users a call to action. And then I have just added some new blog articles. So I'll say read the blog. Link it to the blog, click apply, and we are good to go. So you can just continue to add in your buttons one by one, just stack them on top of each other. And you can add as many as you like. You have no limits here as to how many you want to add. I would just encourage you to keep your most important ones at the top here. And this is something that you can kind of go in and rearrange. So say you're adding a new product or you wrote a new blog post, you can just rearrange these however you would like them viewed on your website or on your bio. Next, you can come in here if you would like and add a little blurb about you. This is just something that I grabbed from my About Me page. Now, I would say put this below your buttons and not above them, because if you put it above them, then your users will have to scroll down to get to your buttons, and those links are the most important thing. You can add really whatever you would like to this page. And I would just encourage you to keep going back and check how it's looking on your mobile view. But you can add as much information as you want to this page. And again, it's completely for free. I am keeping my users in my website, which is really, really important. My footer pops up right here at the bottom. So again, this is just more links that they can access right away. They can click up here and visit different pages throughout my website. Or they can click this search button and search anything that they would like also in my website. Or they can click my logo and go right to my home page. So everything that they need is right here. It's accessed. You can get it right away. It looks like I misspelled click here. I can fix that. Totally okay. But that is how you optimize your Instagram bio. And once you're in your Instagram, all you have to do is pop in that link here and you are done. I hope this tutorial helps, and I can't wait to see your new Instagram bios using your websites. Thanks so much.